Here, this is a simplified view of what the standard is delivering for 5G. So you have on the left side, you have the non-standalone standard, which was delivered in December. And then you have on the right side the standalone version of the standard, which is based on the new core, new generation core, which will be completed in June. So what we are showing here for the standard version is the first live implementation of non-standalone. So what you have on the left, with the existing core networks, we have the connectivity down to the 5G node B, where we are sending the data, and we use the 4G network to do this connection from the control plane point of view. So meaning all the traffic establishment is done through 4G, and you open two legs, one on 4G and 5G for sending data. So let's go to the demo itself. So showing the flash here, what we are showing is a live connection. So when I press connect here, what you see is the call flow. So starting on 4G with the establishment of the dual connectivity, with first typical procedure with the attach service request, then we have the service ready, then we measure the 5G cell, which is just there near the 4G one, then we activate 5G, and then we send the data to the 5G node B for the connection. Now we have the dual connectivity live. And here, now what we're going to do is a speed test to show here the kind of throughput you can get with this technology in good radio condition here. So this is like the upper bound. So we are able to deliver 2 gigabits to a test device, which is sitting here. So really, it's a first implementation, so really the first step on the standard path. So what we have here is not a commercial terminal, obviously it's a testing UE. Commercial terminals will take months and years to get there live with the same level of, with the required level of stability.
From your perspective, what shall be the first solutions using 5G? In industrial internet? In consumer part, how do you see? Because this year, the guys from Nokia and Ericsson talked more about the consumer having 5G before industrial.
In the first place, we will deliver the technology, and it will be delivering the basic mobile broadband use case, as what we can provide today with 4G. So it will be an extension of 4G. It's an evolution. We are evolving the 4G networks and the 5G networks together. So in harmony, we are not deploying the 5G, aiming to deploy 5G as an overlay. No, it's going to be together with 4G. So we have a strong 4G foundation, and we build on that. And the first major use case will be the continuity of the mobile broadband, which we offer today. Then you'll have more and more use cases, some specific use cases in the different segments, which will be delivered for 5G. This is for the non-standalone part. Then we have a 5G live site here, which is giving coverage to the febr area. So what you can see here is the site, commercial site here, which is giving live coverage to the whole one where is the booth from Huawei. Here we have a 5G CPE like this one that you see here, and we are sending videos from cameras which are installed in this commercial site, and we are streaming, so we are sending these videos to this Vodafone booth here. And what you see here, you can see these videos. When I press here, you see the video which is showing the febr. It's a live streaming, so just to show this is live, and you can see the sites where it's coming. So the sites where we have installed 5G to give this to provide this coverage. So this is the same antenna, 5G antenna that you see here.
And the speed is?
Well, this is what we're sending here is a real use case. We're sending some videos. Videos is not requesting so much in terms of throughput. So what we are sending for 2 videos like this is like 20, 30 megabits of throughput. You can aggregate much more traffic on 5G. So you could show in here, you could put hundreds of videos. So it's just you could install hundreds of cameras like this and send this data up to here. This capacity is pretty big, so you should be able to send more than 1 gigabit of data to this CPE.